How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll basically show you the best HyperX Cloud 3 equalizer settings for FPS gamers. Now, in order to do this, you need to get the HyperX Ingenuity software. Basically, you could just search it up on Google. And then you want to get it from the official website itself. It's going to be this one. And then basically we want to apply the equalizer preset right here. And as an additional note, on the headphones itself, you want to disable the spatial sound DTSX. We want to create a new preset by simply clicking on the new preset button. And then you want to apply the following values right here. It should simply look something like this. And then of course you want to click on done. And while you're at it, you want to simply select the newly created preset. So after creating it will be prompted right here. Just make sure to select that and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.